KristinCena. Welcome to another episode of Lookfantastic Unboxing. This is the April Lookfantastic box and I can't wait to see what is in here. So of course, for those who does not know, Lookfantastic is a monthly subscription box whereas you receive 6 premium products if you want to. It's either skincare or cosmetics, and it is awesome because the box costs £15, so around 20 Australian dollars, and the overall value is not less than $80. Like so far among all these boxes that I have received, it's around like $90 to $125, so it's awesome. The box for this month is very simple. It's brown. Yeah, so here it is. This is the beauty box magazine. The theme for this month is raw beauty, which is the reason why it's brown, I think. And it says here, there is beauty in simplicity. This magazine contains the products that you've received, also some helpful articles about skincare and cosmetics world. Just really good thing to read. And of course, in every Lookfantastic box, it comes with a magazine. And for this month, we have Taylor Swift as the cover. Here it is. Let me open it. So I have an idea on what I'm gonna be receiving, but not all. Like, I've tried my best not to really check on what's in the box. The first item that I have here is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a lipstick. It's kind of weird not to have like the box. I'm not sure if you buy this if it has like the carton box, but it doesn't have. This is the shade Envy. I love the packaging though. It's like a bag. Do you remember, like a leather bag with that design? I'm not sure how much this is, but I'm just gonna be putting the prices at the end of this video. It does smell really good. Here is the swatch. It really has this rose nude color. It really is so good. I bet this color is great for any skin color, and I'm gonna try this one out on my lips. It really is so easy to apply. It smells good and it's moisturizing, which is amazing. And also the pigmentation is really good as well. It is buildable. I like this one already. Next product I have here, the Ahava Dead Sea Salt. This is a natural Dead Sea bath salt. So I'm not into bath salt. And I've noticed also Lookfantastic is always like collaborating with this brand, Ahava. I've received like a lotion before. But this is big, 250 grams. I wonder how many uses this is, but this is pretty much, I don't think this is a sample. I think this is like a full size. Soak into a half bath. So this is the reason why I don't have bath salt, because it's for like a bathtub and there's no bathtub in our place here. So I don't know when I would be able to use this one, but this is pretty cool. I can't wait to try this one out if I'd have the chance, but I do not know when. For the third item I have here, their hero product. This is the EH or Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes, lifts and smooths, improves firmness and elasticity. This is like a moisturizing cream for the face. So let me just, it has like a minty herbal smell. It's not sweet at all, so it's kind of like not alluring for me. It does feels like a bit moisturizing too. I wonder if this is popular. Have you used this? If you've used this, please comment it down below if if this works or if you liked it or not. Now for the fourth item, I have here Balance Me Natural Skincare Vitamin C Repair Serum. So nowadays vitamin C is just everywhere, serums are everywhere. It is 98% natural and 7 ml. After cleansing, massage a pea-sized amount to your face, AM and PM, using gentle upward strokes. So just be careful. It says it can be used for daytime as well. So if you use vitamin C serums, just make sure you wear sunscreen. The fifth product, we have Nao Bay Natural and Organic Origin. This is their recovery mask. It must be for the face because of this small sample, I guess. It's a very small. This is 20 ml, and it did not say, like, the direction here is like this: apply an even layer to the skin, then leave on for 7 to 10 minutes, rinse off with abundant water. So even though it doesn't say apply on the face, must be for the face, because it's usually like that for mask, like leave 7 to 10 minutes. That's kind of confusing. Yeah, I haven't heard of this brand as well. Nao Bay or Nao Bay Recovery Mask. Oh wait, I have not opened it. Oh! Yeah, it's like a lotion. Chile is like a lotion. I mean, it's like a cream. But creams are not usually like you apply and then you rinse off right away. That is weird. For the last item, this looks cute. This is the Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots 10 Minute Stimulating Scalp Mask. Okay, so Grow Gorgeous, they're also like a partner with Lookfantastic, because I also have products that are Grow Gorgeous. Also, it has this like nozzle right here, probably so that it would be easier to, oh, okay, it's just like this. Okay, maybe just apply it like this, chase it on the scalp. That's cool. It smells like a eucalyptus, really good. I bet this should, yeah, I can really feel now. It has like a cooling sensation. Those are the 6 premium products that I've received. So far I can say that I've received like these 3 are like the good products that I've received. I mean, with reference to the size, and I guess the rest are like sample sizes. So far, this is the box that I've received, like sample cute sizes. So I could say that this month I'm not that thrilled about their box. So I do hope that next month would be amazing. I do have a sneak peek right here. Next month, the May box is about urban beauty. Whether it's makeup, it's about makeup. Yes! That completes this video, guys. I do thank you for taking the time to watch this, like, I don't know, random video, like weird video. But yeah, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!